Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning out my closet, my dresser. This is part one of going through all my clothes, and it's also part one of like the series of going through everything I own before I moved to college. So that's really fun for me. Let's get into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go through all my drawers. So that's all that was my drawers. I did not get my, I'm out of breath from doing that. I did not get my underwear and stuff out because like obviously you don't need to see that. I'm just gonna put what I'm getting rid of in that basket just because it's already in my room. I was doing laundry anyway. And so yeah, let's do it. You know that for some people this is like really hard and they have to like really think through everything, but for me you're gonna see very quickly that this is pretty easy for me. So I do keep stuff that like I obviously wear all the time, like I know what I wear, you know what I mean? So these, I don't wear them. They're Mizzou pajama pants. Don't really wear those. These, I'm gonna see how many pajama pants I have left, but I don't normally wear those either. These is part of a matching set. These I wear all the time. These, wear them all the time. They're from Aerie. Highly recommend getting clothes from Aerie. I wear these too all the time. That's 4 pairs. I don't need these. We're getting rid of them. Okay, this is a school shirt, so we keep it. I love these pajama shorts, are really comfy, so there's that. I'm really into like matching pajama sets. So this shirt, of course it's inside out, really soft. It's a Smurf shirt. It's like literally one of my favorite shirts. It's so incredibly like worn in, you know? This shirt is like a pink brand, you know? This is part of the matching set that we kept the bottoms for. This shirt I wear a lot for my brother's college. I don't wear it a super lot, but it's like one of the only long sleeves I have. So whenever I do wear it, like in the winter time, I need that. So I'll keep that one. This is another school shirt. So that's part of a matching set. Matching set. School shirt. I don't wear this. This goes with these shorts. They're like little Santa gnomes. They're really cute. Anyway. And it says like, "Dear Santa, I tried." I don't wear that. It's honestly not even that comfortable, for being honest. So I do wear it, I wear it, so I'm gonna keep it for now. It's Joe's Crab Shack. It's a restaurant. Anyway, okay, honestly, so that's all my pajamas. That's all I have. Like I said, I purge my clothes all the time. Like I just don't have like a lot. I should have closed my closet. Okay, guys, I have so many pairs of these and you're gonna see that. I have a weird thing where my socks have to match my outfit. Like when it comes to like slippers. These are slipper socks. Obsessed. You guys need to pick some up because like, wait, where's the, did I lose one? Hopefully we find them matching to this. That's really weird that it's not like, okay, so this, I literally never wear this. It's so faded. Maybe I should hang it up in my closet and see if I'd wear it. I think I'm going to. I'll just put it by the closet. Tank tops to wear. Okay. Do you guys remember whenever like we wore tank tops under literally everything we owned? Yeah, I hate it. So, like I literally, like if I have to wear a tank top under a shirt, I don't buy it. And I haven't done it for years. But I still have all these tank tops. And I just feel like it's unnecessary to have all of these. But also I'm like, what if I need them? This one I do wear. Guys, I'm really bad about keeping clothes. Okay, I'm not bad about keeping clothes. About like not buying things new. Like this is an extra large Abercrombie shirt from 5th grade. So that's embarrassing. Honestly, it's embarrassing. I don't know. Got some leggings here. Okay, I have a lot of these, like, these aren't like performance leggings. They're like the fleece lined. You probably can't even see that. But I do wear these in the wintertime, like under other clothes. So that is the point of those. These I have not worn in a very long time. I just don't really know if they're my vibe. Also, I have not been liking leggings that are this long. It's kind of annoying to me. I'm gonna try them on. Okay, these sweatpants, they're cute. I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear with them. That's the problem. Is that they're pretty cute though. They're like a different kind of cut. These are purple. They're alright. I mean, if I find a better pair, you know, I will. Okay, these are cute. They're cute. They're a little bigger on my waist though, and they're low rise, so like it's not cute when they fall down, so get rid of those. Oh, my other sock. Yay. These sweatpants, okay, I need to buy a new pair a lot, but like they're thin and they tie at the waist, joggers, really cute, like I love them. These white ones, okay, it's a vibe whenever I wear like my navy blue crew neck with it. So I'm gonna keep it because like it's so cozy on those lazy days because I don't have a lot of like loose fitting sweatpants, you know, like fully loose. So these are adorable. Picked these up in Canada. Definitely really cute. Shorts, okay, if we're being honest, I'm not in love with these. They kind of like puff out weird. And I don't know, I'm just not in love with them. But like, if I buy a new pair of gray shorts, I'll get rid of these. But like, I don't have another pair right now, so I'm keeping them. These are like my favorite shorts ever. Black Under Armour. Boom. Yeah, that's what's up. These I tie-dyed. This is before I had my channel. Like literally the week before. And I wore them once, but I am going to wear them pretty soon again. So probably next week actually. So there's that. So it's obviously a onesie, but like look at the head. It's like a little sleeping raccoon, if you will. It's so fluffy. It's from Francesca's. I don't know if you guys like know what that is, but it's like a boutique. But I keep it because I don't know when I'm gonna be like freezing cold, you know what I mean? And want to just like cozy up because it's like wearing a blanket. Like a literal fluffy blanket. So that's why I haven't got rid of it. Okay, this shirt is the same thing. Don't judge me for this one. Oh my gosh, it literally has a sticker on it. I've wore it a million times, so. It's just, it's got a little Snoop on it. I only sleep in this. I do not wear this in public. Do not worry. But yeah, it's really, really soft. So, I'm a comfort kind of girl. You'll see that. Like, if it isn't comfortable, I just like, we'll get rid of it. Maybe that's why it's easy. I don't know. Onto more leggings. These leggings, I wear them every day. These, I got some biker shorts. I'm gonna wear those tomorrow, so like you'll see them, but I'm actually really excited for that. Got some stripes, and they have like cute little cutouts. Okay, you cannot tell. They have like cutouts on the calf. That's really fun. Got these from Aerie. I love the green. I don't know why I'm such an olive green kind of girl, but I am. These I got from a thrift store, but they're from Maurice's. And it's so funny because I went to yoga in them, and my teacher was wearing like the same ones, but hers were from Lulu, and she was like, oh my gosh, twins. And I was like, oh, mine weren't from Lulu. So I'm really proud of that actually. I'm like, they look just like the Lulus. And then these have like some like lace cutout situation. You know what it is. Sweatpants got in Canada as well. They're really cozy. I could have sized up, but like I didn't. Don't really know why. Yeah, these are a small. I definitely should have got a medium. I probably could even got a large if we're being honest. But they're just Champion sweatpants. Really cozy, really cute. Oh my gosh, I have a hole in my sock. Are you kidding me? I have to throw it away. These I got from Target. They're really cozy actually. Jogger. They're from the men's section, of course. I freaking love these guys. Pink pants has been my thing recently. Like really like a lot. These are they're from Victoria's Secret pink, but they're really, really cozy. And these are like the same ones as those gray ones from Target, but in black. Did I already go through everything? That's literally insane. I go through my clothes a lot though. Like you guys just saw me do that, so. I have a few things in my basket. Okay, so I'm gonna go through my underwear and then I guess I'll see you when I do my closet. Missing someone.